Okay, so my days are different now with Lucy, but you'll see how a lot of the day is. But today we've been doing some training. Lucy and I. Lucy and I have done some training. You'll see her here. So I'll put this down here. You guys can get a look at Lucy. Maybe come here, buddy. Come here, Lucy. Lucy, hold on. Lucy does get excited for treats, but we're using them to help train her. So we'll put these back up here. Come here. Lucy, come here. Hopefully you guys can hear. Ready? Lucy, sit. Look at that. Sit. 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 Sit, Lucy. Sit. 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 Good girl. Yes. So we're giving her a treat, and then we give her a word. So that's approval. Hopefully you guys can see me. Ready? Come here. Come here. Sit. Yes. She gets that one pretty good. So sometimes we cut these in half because they're big. Come here, Lucy. What? Okay, hold on. Ready? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ready? Up, up, up. Yes. There you go. And then sit. Sit. She always backs up. Sit. Lucy. No. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Yes. So she's getting pretty good at it. See, she sits. And it's a good way to calm her down when she gets excited. Ready? Up, 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 up. Yes. Yes. And then we'll just, this was a good, sit. Lucy, sit. Sit. No. Sit. You get a shot of her butt. Yes. Come here. And this one's a hard one. Ready? Leave it. No. Leave it. Yes. Very good. So we do that. I got one more for her. Ready? Should we get her to jump? We'll get her to jump. Lucy. Lucy, sit. Come here. Sit. Sit. Up, 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 up. Yes. She's learning. Lots of work. Lots of work. I'm not getting much sleep, and I'm not getting a whole lot of work done outside of Lucy and I, which is fine for this time. She's coming. It's coming along. It's a lot of work. I think she's more work than Harley ever was when she was a baby. Yeah, because she's so darn cute. She's so darn cute. Come look, Luce. What do you think? Oh, what do you think, Lucy? What do you think? I got no more treats. I got no more treats. That's it, Lucy. Yeah. And then she's like this. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on? What are you biting? I know you're always chewy. You like to chew on things. What are you doing? She's either sleeping or she's this. No, that's that's the string of my sweater. Why? No. Stop it. Give me that back. No. That's not for you. No. Stop. No. It's gone. It's all gone. No. You have to go potty? You have to go potty? Maybe? You have to go potty? Alright guys, so that's kind of what my day looks like. I get up with her in the morning, go to the bathroom, we kind of hang out a little bit. She plays around, she usually eats, then goes to sleep. We do some training, we do some playing, we do some sleeping, we do some playing, we do some eating, we do some pooping. Uh, put it all on repeat, mix it up, put it on shuffle. That's what it is. Luckily for now, it looks like it's kind of rest time, which is good. Rest time is good. Alright guys, we'll see you next video, and we'll probably be doing a little Saturday morning vlog things with Lucy, just so you guys can see her updates. She's enjoying watching the rain outside right now, but she doesn't like going out in it by any means, so I get that. Alright guys, see you tomorrow.